All right. If you have a Lennox whisper heat furnace that looks similar to this, I've got the hood off of it, obviously. But if you want to find out the exact model name, if you're trying to find parts and whatnot to do servicing yourself or replace parts yourself, look on this inner left side wall. Okay, inner left side wall, and just come on in. Right there. The bold letters and numbers. Mine is a G20. That's the general one, G20Q3. Blah blah blah. There. That's your model of your furnace. That's what mine is right there. Anyway, I just now found that, even though it's been sitting there the whole time, because I'm troubleshooting why it's not igniting, even though the pilot is coming on. So, just trying to do my own due diligence and find out how to get parts for it that are correct and whatnot. So there you go. Inner wall on the side will be your model number for your unit. Alright, we're troubleshooting this, guys, so check out our other videos. And, we're just learning about it, really. I'm just a do-it-yourselfer trying to fix stuff. So, y'all have a good day.